Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. This is the third part of the Hocus Pocus challenge. If you missed the other two parts, I will link those up above if you want to check those out. This challenge is being hosted by the Crafty Kitty, and I will link her channel down below as well as the playlist for this challenge so you can check those out when you are done here. So for the third part of the challenge, we are supposed to bring the two things that we made in the last two parts of the challenge together to create a Halloween tablescape. So that is what I'm going to do for you today, and I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, so for my table, I'm using my kitchen table for this Halloween tablescape. I'm actually going to move this tablescape to my dining room, but it was set up for my fall tablescape at the time I was filming this. So that is why I'm using this table, but actually I really like the Halloween tablescape on here. I think it turned out really cute. So what I'm doing here is just taking 3 of the creepy cloths that just came from Dollar Tree, and I had 2 of them that had more holes in them and then one that was kind of like a runner. So I just put the runner in the middle and then just kind of put the ones with the holes on each side, and it kind of made it look like a tablecloth. Alright, here is where the first part of the Hocus Pocus challenge comes into place. It is my Halloween centerpiece. I made a witch's bubbling cauldron. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out, but I just placed it in the center of the table. So for the place settings, everything that I used came from Dollar Tree. I just placed my white charger down, and then I used these lace placemats that I spray painted in orange and put that on top of the charger, and then laid my white plate on top of that. And then for the napkins, I used these kitchen towels, which I thought were really cute, and then I just topped it off with a little spider. After the place settings were set, I wanted to decorate the table with some of the decor that I had. So I placed this little ceramic tray that I've had for years in front of the centerpiece, and then one of these books from the Dollar Tree, I just laid it next to the cauldron, and then I took a little rubber rat from probably Dollar Tree and placed it on top of the book. After that, on the other side, I used this skeleton dog that lights up and makes barking noises that my son picked up from Home Depot last year, and he absolutely loves it. And I just placed him on the other side of the table. Then here comes the other part of the challenge. It is the witch's fingers that I made for a Halloween treat, and I just placed it into one of these little buckets that I had that says Boo on it, and placed it in front of the dog. The other treat I made for the second part of the challenge were these monster eyeball cookies, and I just put them on a Dollar Tree platter. Next, I wanted to decorate the seat that was at the table, so I just used one of these black spiderweb tablecloths that I got off of Amazon last year just to drape over the back. And then I used my October 31st pillow cover that I got from Amazon, and then my Boo pillow that I got from Target this year at the Target dollar spots. Then to just add some Halloween fun, I had this little rat skeleton that I just placed on the back of the seat.
Alright guys, so I think my Halloween tablescape turned out really cute. I love my cauldron with the witch's feet coming out. I think it's a perfect centerpiece for my table, and the cookies and the witch's fingers just add to the creepiness of it and the spookiness of it. So I hope you liked this tablescape. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much to Crafty Kitty for hosting this fun Halloween challenge. I really loved it and I had such a good time doing it. So don't forget to check out her channel in the playlist that is linked down below. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.